Myself, Mahesh Kumar Sharma, Assistant Professor in Nursing Department, Microbiology. Today topic is the sterilizations, disinfections and antiseptics. These methods are commonly used in a hospital to make the bacteria free from to any surface media and commonly used to prevent cross infections in hospital environment and prevent the disease produced in hospital environment from patient to patient. Come on the topic first is the sterilizations. स्टेलाइजेशन एक ऐसी प्रोसेस है जिसके द्वारा बैक्टीरियाज को एक इक्विपमेंट की सरफेस से या इंस्ट्रूमेंट की सरफेस से मीडियाज की सरफेस से फ्री फ्रॉम बनाया जाता है। साथ में इनके जो स्पोर्स एंड जर्मिसीडियल जो स्पोर्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं उनको कंप्लीटली डिस्ट्रॉय किया जाता है। एंड डिसइंफेक्शंस एक प्रोसेस होती है जिसके द्वारा ऑल ऑर्गेनिज्म डेट में पैथोजेनिक एंड नॉन पैथोजेनिक ऑर्गेनिज्म को कंप्लीटली किल किया जाता है। इसमें जरूरी नहीं है कि इनके स्पोर्स एंड जर्मिसीडियल स्पीशीज को भी कंप्लीटली किल किया जाए। डिसइंफेक्शंस के लिए जिन केमिकल्स का यूज किया जाता है उनको अपन डिसइंफेक्टेंट बोलते हैं। Antiseptic is a process in which the kill the bacteria that may be produce disease and that not may be produce the disease. Antiseptic solutions are used only skin surface and body orifice to prevent the infections. Different type method are used in hospital to sterilization and disinfectant that can be classified into the two types. First, physical methods and second is chemical methods. Physical methods, that methods are used directly make to an equipment free from microorganisms. First method is the sunlight. Sunlight is a natural method and in which present ultraviolet ray have the germicidal actions. So when the bacteria has come the contact with the ultraviolet ray to kill by the denaturations and coagulation in bacterial capsules. It most commonly used in the hospital to make the sterile of blankets, linens and in naturals and household to make the sterile of the water, ponds, rivers and in pots. Two types heat are used in hospital: dry heat and moist heat. They're doing the work on the principal dry heat when they come contact with the bacterial capsules that made a coagulations on bacterial capsule and destroy the bacteria. But moist heat are the most widely used method of the sterilizations and on the high temperature when the moist heat come the contact with the bacterial capsules, it destroys the bacteria by the denaturations of the bacterial capsules. And third method is the filtrations. Filtrations method are most commonly used in a hospital that media and body fluids destroyed by the heat in which the different pore size filter chamber are used to filter the solutions and body fluid and make to sterile without the heats. And radiations are most commonly used method in the hospital. Many tubes, cannulas, catheters, rice tube, nasogastric tube, urinals and endotracheal tubes, tracheal tube, endoscopy tubes, जितने भी प्लास्टिक के इक्विपमेंट्स होते हैं हॉस्पिटल के अंदर सभी को रेडिएशंस मेथड के द्वारा स्टाइल किया जाता है। इसमें टू टाइप in which use two types radiations method. First ionizing and second non-ionizing. Ionizing radiations have the ionic rays like X-ray, gamma rays, beta ray and delta rays. But in non-ionizing radiations use cosmic ray, ultraviolet ray that kill the bacteria when come contact with the rays. And it is the very costly method, so it use only commercial equipments. And second is the chemical method in which This method are also known as disinfection method, and in which use the chemical called the disinfectant. In which first alcohol are most commonly used in hospital to clean the pre-operation side and clean the lacerations, wound and injury sites, and use the 60 to 70% alcohol in two forms, isopropanol alcohols and ethanols used to kill the bacteria. It doing the actions by the bactericidal and bacteriostatic. Bactericidal means that product kill the bacteria, and bacteriostatics means that product decrease the multiplications of the bacteria. In hospital also known as the spirit. Aldehyde are used two forms, aqueous and gaseous form. Gaseous form used in formalin. Formalin in hospital widely used in fumigations with the potassium permanganate, and after when used with the potassium permanganate, it produce one gas that called the formalin, and it kill the bacteria when they used in 2 hours in closed room. And aqueous solutions are used in detergent and to store the biopsy solutions for the prolonged times. Glutaraldehyde are most commonly used, and different forms like Sidex, hexadines in forms are used to clean the surface when the operations and pre-operative side. And fourth is the halogens. 2 halogen products are used in hospital. First, iodine. Iodine are most commonly used in ointment and iodine poison forms to kill the bacteria and to repair the wound and injury sites. And in hospital use in iodine poison, also known as the betadines. And chlorine, second product is the chlorine. Chlorine used in bleaching powder forms to repair the wound side and to use in cleaning the waters and to make the sterilizations of the waters. And fifth is the oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent in which most commonly used product is the hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide it as used in liquid forms to clean the contaminated surface and to make the surface free from the bacteria. Usage in nursing. If nurse have the knowledge about the sterilization and disinfectant procedure to prevent the cross infections in patient and hospital acquired infections in patient, and use the proper techniques and use the proper waste management, so it help to prevent the cross infection in hospital environment. Thank you.